Let's focus on the state of Maharashtra. With the number of positive cases really piling on, students and parents are a rather worried lot. After initial reluctance to cancel the ICSE exams, the board has now left the students with two options. Either they can appear for the exams between July 2nd to 14th or choose not to appear for the pending exams and instead get evaluated on the basis of internal assessment marks. Kamlesh Sutar gets you all the details.
When coronavirus struck India, educational institutions were among the first to be shut down, and the ongoing board examinations were put off for later. That was in March. Now, with most education boards having announced dates for the resumption of exams, parents of examinees are concerned because the COVID situation has only worsened. Some parents in Mumbai moved the Bombay High Court against the ICSE board's decision to hold the pending exams.
Where the exams could not be conducted by this board when the cases were 151 cases in all over India, today we have more than 3 lakh cases. India is slowly reaching to the top of the world in terms of the quantum of crisis. Schools affiliated to the board have to seek permission and NOCs from the state government before the schools are permitted to open. They are granted an UDISE number, which is the recognition with the state government, and hence they are bound to follow all the orders issued by the state government.
The ICSE board maintained its stand that it would conduct the 10th board examinations in July with all safety precautions. The Maharashtra government, meanwhile, told the court that holding exams now was not feasible situation.
Entire world is going through this pandemic, and nobody knows what is the future right now. No one is sending their kids even down to the shop to bring maybe a 1 liter of milk as well.
The ICSE board, after telling the Bombay High Court on 13th of June that the pending exams will be held as per schedule, has now notified that students all across India and abroad can choose either to appear for exams in July or decide to get evaluated on the basis of internal assessment marks instead. But anxious parents aren't too happy with the decision. Thousands of them have taken to social media with hashtags like #StudentsLivesMatter and cancel 10th ICSE boards.
Since the last 3 months, we have been told to stay at home and be safe. That is what we have been doing. Now, corona cases have risen, and at this point, the board wants to conduct these examinations. How can we send our children and expose them to the risk of this virus at this juncture? They'll be stressed for the exam, they'll be stressed for the environment, they'll be stressed for the surrounding, and we'll be stressed at home. But what we might lose is something I don't even want to think about. So our request is that please cancel these examinations.
The exams were scheduled between February 27th to March 30th, but the exams March 19th onwards were postponed due to the COVID-19 scare. ICSE will now be holding these examinations from 2nd of July to the 14th of July in the state.
The matter is still pending in the Bombay High Court, but the choice given by ICSE board before the Bombay High Court is difficult for both parents and children to accept. Either attend exams during the pandemic or get marks based on the pre-board exams conducted by their own schools. For parents and children, it's like choosing between the devil and deep sea. With camera person Raju Inamdar, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.